Hello, welcome to StrategicERP. In this video, we'll see how to book PF payment entry. So to book your PF which have been deducted on the salaries of your employee, if you want to book the payment entry of that PF, you need to navigate to statutory module and under payment sections, you need to open payment PF payment form. Once you open PF payment form, you need to uh, name of company date that will become automatically. You need to put the date on which date you are going to pay the PF. So let's suppose if I am going to pay my PF on 7th of May for the month of April. You need to select of which month PF you are going to pay. You need to select month here. So I have selected April. I am going to pay my April month PF. So April, then financial year, and once you will select month and financial year, the detail of PF will come over here. So total amount you have to pay is 32,681. If you want to see the calculation and the list of employees, how many employees are listed under this 32,000, you need to click on the details tab, about details tab. Once you click here, the employee wise detail will appear over here. So these are the employees ledger, this is employee code, this is employee name, and this is the amount which have been deducted from their salary, right? This is the employee name and this is the employee code. So if you can see, the total of these numbers are 32,681, and same amount we are going to pay over here. So once this detail is fetched, if any interest or penalty is applicable on your PF payment, so you can put it over here, or we have an option to automate it. So you can this interest and penalty can come automatically as well if you fill interest penalty master form, that is also available in statutory module. So then you need to pay to put the detail of project, from which project you are going to pay this PF, then the bank, by which bank, then the challan date, on which date challan so you are going to pay this, then the challan check number. Once you fill this detail, you need to click on save button, and once you will click on save button, the entry is drafted and now ready to move forward. Now the authorized person can approve it and verify it, and once it is approved, the posting of this PF payment will be hit in your finance management balance sheet.